Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make super easy and delicious creamy enchilada rojas. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by setting our pan over medium heat. To that we're going to add a little bit of oil. And we're just going to allow it to heat up. Once our pan is nice and hot, we're going to get our tomatoes, cut them in half, and place them down. And we're just going to lightly fry them for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, flip the tomatoes over to the other side and allow that side to lightly fry for another 2 minutes. And here we're also going to be adding 3 garlic cloves. So just allow them to lightly fry. After 2 minutes, lightly fry your chile pots. Just make sure you clean them and you dry them so like that the oil doesn't pop on your face. So the chile pots cook pretty fast, so make sure not to burn them because otherwise it will make your sauce bitter. Okay, and once we lightly fry our chile pots, going to add 2.5 cups of water. And here we're going to cover it. Turn up the heat and just allow it to cool down. All right, so once it has cooled down, we're going to transfer it all to our blender cup to transfer the chiles, tomatoes, garlic, and the water. Okay, so now we can get ready to blend it. To our blender cup, we're also going to be adding salt. I'm using 2.5 teaspoons with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. We're going to be blending it until smooth. Okay, so once that's nice and smooth, going to open it, and here we're going to add our cream cheese, sour cream, and crema mexicana. Now blend it again until everything is well combined. Okay, and just like that we have our sauce, so now we can take it back to the stove. Okay, now returning to our pan, I'm going to heat up a little bit of oil. This is going to be so we can lightly fry the tortillas. So just allow it to heat up. Okay, once it's nice and hot, add your tortilla and lightly fry it for about 5 seconds or until it blisters. Okay, so once the tortilla is ready, going to remove it from the oil and repeat the same steps with the rest of the tortillas. Okay, and once we have our tortillas, now we can get ready to roll them. Before I make my enchiladas, I'm going to get my sauce ready. So to the same pan over low heat, just going to add it in. Just cover the bottom of the pan and allow that to heat up while we roll the enchiladas. Okay, here I have my rotisserie chicken. Just going to add it to the edge of my tortilla along with some shredded cheese and just roll it like a taco and place it on the sauce. Okay, so as we have filled our skillet with our enchiladas, just going to drizzle some more sauce. Top it with some more cheese. We're going to turn up the heat to medium, cover it, and allow that cheese to melt. Okay, so after a couple minutes, the cheese has melted. So now we can get ready to enjoy our delicious enchiladas. Okay, so now we can get ready to serve and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious creamy enchilada rojas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.